You want to click on the transactions at the top left of your screen. Then tap on Create Payment button over here to select the manual payment selection. A new page will appear and you can select it to be a one-time payment or a recurring payment. Then set up the amount of money that you want to charge. After that, you may select any specific customer if the cards that you want to charge is belong to any of them. And I do recommend for you to add some description regarding the charges of the card, especially if you are using your customer card. So when they check on their card like a week or months later, they will still know what is the charge for. At the last step, you may insert your own card or your customer card to be charged manually. And after adding the card, you may click on Submit Payment button over here. And you may send a receipt if your customer need it. And there you go. If you still have any question, just comment down below and I will try my best to guide and help you guys. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.